We can apply background images to our pages using the background panel. The first option we have here is to apply the background either globally or only to this page. I'll go ahead and uncheck this box because we only want the background applied to this page. Now make sure you have the background highlighted, so just click on anywhere in the background there and you'll see this little yellow outline appear. The next step here is to select the image you want to use as the background, and you can just pick any image you'd like. I'll go ahead and choose this one, and I'm going to hold my left mouse button down and drag it into the photo area here. And you can see that it's applied to the background right away. If you don't want to use one of your own images, Lightroom does offer some presets you can use, and they can be found by clicking on this little button over here, and then either choosing travel or wedding. So for example, if it's a travel photo book, you can use any one of these maps. Or if it's a wedding, you can use any one of these. You can opt to use either a graphic or a background color. So if you don't want to use a graphic, you can just change the color of the background by clicking on this color picker and then selecting whichever color you like. Now I'll go back to graphic for just a second. You'll notice that you can have a combination of background color and graphic because our opacity is set to only 20%, so you can actually see through the graphic into the background color. You can increase the opacity of the image as well by dragging the slider up, or you can decrease it by dragging it down. Okay, and that's how you use the background panel. In the next lesson, we'll be exporting this photo book we've created as a PDF document.